Hi, this is G.Gowtham from the Department of Commerce with Computer Application, working as an assistant professor. Here, SNS Institution's Roadmap for Growth and Innovation. Welcome to the SNS Roadmap, a journey of transformation from foundational challenges to excellence and innovation. This roadmap captures how SNS has evolved not just as an institution but as a living ecosystem of learning, creativity, and impact. Here, some of the foundation chores and challenges. Initial friction. The story is every great journey begins with a phase of chaos, and that's where SNS started. Like any foundation, the early years were filled with uncertainty, questions, and challenges. But it was in that friction that our resilience was forged. We learned to innovate, collaborate, and build a stronger base for the future. Here, the slide denotes common man and business standard approach. The story is at this stage, we focused on stability and structure. We embraced the standard business and academic practices, refining operations, ensuring quality, and creating predictable growth. This phase helped us understand what good looks like so that we could aim for great. Here, the slide number 4 is design thinking, human centered innovation. So, the story is this came a transformation. We started asking a new question: how can we design for people, not just process? By adopting design thinking, we shifted from systems to empathy. We began building human centered innovation, focusing on the learner, the teacher, and their community experience. Here, the slide is framework and culture. 3P culture and 3C framework. What are the 3P you are following in SNS design thinking or the purpose, process, and people? Here, the purpose is clear vision and mission. The process is systematic approach to achieve goals, and then people empowering human potential. Here, 3C framework or attitude, logic, and technique. We are following the attitude. What are the that is growth oriented mindset. And then logic, we are what are the logic techniques we are used in design framework as structure and rational design making. The last was technique. We are building a technological excellence to humanity. And then five pillar of SNS. We are following the five pillar of SNS. What are the things is the first one is center for learning and teaching. Here, nurturing academic excellence. And then second one is skill and career development, shaping employable and confidential graduates. And third one is Center for Creativity. In Center for Creativity, we are encouraging imagination and innovation. And then fourth one is Industry Institute Partnership Cell, that is bridging academia and real world practice. The last one is responsibility initiatives. Here, ensuring our impact extends beyond the campus. So, these are the five pillars of SNS we are following in academic. And the next line number 7 is the SPS B spine. The SPS B spine connects all of these elements. It's not just a system, it's a living structure where learning, innovation, and social impact intertwine. It's our institutional backbone, enabling smooth collaboration and continuous growth. Here, the growth and innovation in the story is growth is not an event, it is a mindset. At SNS, innovation drives our growth. We explore new research, foster interdisciplinary collaboration, and create a culture where ideas can thrive. Our commitment to innovation ensures that learning never stands still. We are following in our institution Gen A projects and certified talents. The story for the future belongs to creators and innovation. And at SNS, our students are already building it through generative AI projects and AI certifications. We prepare students to lead an technical driven world. Every learner becomes an AI literate innovator ready for the industries of tomorrow. And then slide number 10. Excellence and creation smart OKR goals. In our institution, the faculties, the mentor and mentees following our OKR goals system. Here, our bold vision is 1,000 AI startups created by our students. This is not just a number, it's a movement. A generation of student entrepreneur solving real world problems using technology and creativity, supported by mentorship and resources at SNS. Here, 1,000 A startup by students. Our vision is to nurture 1,000 A driven student startup and providing mentorship, incubation, and funding support, cultivating entrepreneurial and innovation spirit. Growth mindset. The story is at the heart of SNS lies the growth mindset, the belief that abilities can be developed through effort, learning, and perseverance. We encourage our learners and staffs to view challenges as opportunities to stay curious and to embrace lifelong learning. That's how we turn vision into victory every single day. From chaos to clarity, from friction to innovation, this is the SNS journey. Together, we are not just building an institution, we are shaping the future of learning, innovation, and humanity. Thank you for being a part of SNS story. Thank you.